Hello everybody, I am Dr. Lodhi Kaneez Fatema, Head of the Department Political Science in J.A.T Art Science and Commerce College for Women Malegaon Dist-Nashik. You all are welcome in this MCQ series on international relation. This paper is taught in TYBA class. Question number 1 is, which of the following factor led to the formation of non-alignment movement? 4 options हैं यहाँ पर. Number 1, struggling against the imperialism and new colonialism. Next, poverty of newly independent nations. Next, formation of collective forces, and last one is all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Question number 2, when did first summit of non-aligned movement took place? 4 options are there. A. 1965, B. 1963, C. 1962, D. 1961. नॉन अलाइनमेंट मूवमेंट की पहली समिट कब हुई थी? सही जवाब है 1961. Question number 3, 18th summit of the non-aligned movement was held in October 2019. In which country? A. Turkey, B. Azerbaijan, C. Russia, D. Armenia. सही आंसर है अज़रबैजान. Question number 4, which of the following statement is correct about Panchsheel Treaty? Number 1, it was signed on 28 April 1954 between India and China. Number 2, the principles of Panchsheel Treaty were given by Pandit Nehru. Options हैं A. only 1, B. only 2, C. both 1 and 2, D. neither 1 nor 2. Correct answer है C. both 1 and 2. पंचशील ट्रीटी साइन हुई थी 28 अप्रैल 1954 बिटवीन इंडिया एंड चाइना के दरमियान, एंड प्रिंसिपल ऑफ पंचशील ट्रीटी ये हमारे फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने दिए थे. Next, who was the first Secretary General of NAM? Options are there. Fidel Castro, B. Joseph Broz Tito, C. Zail Singh, D. Jamal Abdel Nasser. करेक्ट आंसर है बी. जोसेफ ब्रॉज टीटो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, हु इज़ द करंट चेयरपर्सन ऑफ नॉन अलाइन्ड मूवमेंट? 4 ऑप्शंस हैं. Raul Castro, B. Hosni Mubarak, C. Nicolas Maduro, D. Muhammad Ahmad Nejad। सही आंसर है बी, हुसैनी मुबारक। Question number 7. The process of rapid integration or interconnection between countries due to greater foreign investment is known as dash. Integration of markets, international trade, MNC, multinational companies, or globalization. Correct answer is globalization. Question number 8. Globalization result in dash. 4 ऑप्शन है यहाँ। A. Lesser competition among producer, B. Greater competition among producer, C. No change in competition among producer, D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Greater competition among producer. Question number 9. Globalization has improved the living structure of which of the following? 4 options. A. All of the people, B. People living in developing countries, C. People living in developed countries, D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. People living in developing countries. Question number 10. Which Indian industries have been hit by globalization? A. Cement, B. Jute, C. Toy making, D. Information technology. Correct answer is information technology. Thank you. Thank you very much.